I found some of your father's old yearbooks up in the attic. Thought you might enjoy looking at them. He played football? Yes, and he was student body president. So what else do you tell me?
I'm trying to figure out what she's gonna be doing here.
He was incredibly smart, funny, so graceful. What's wrong? I just never get to talk about Rex anymore. Since I remarried, it just doesn't seem appropriate.
Sylvia! Sylvia!
Well,
Yes.
you can talk to me about them anytime you want.
So, what are we doing here?
Rex.
Sylvia! Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come on. Come on. Come to mama.
You doing out here?
I said come to mama.
Mostly keeping
Come to
myself?
mama.
Can't believe how I acted.
What do you mean, no?
It's a
Come to
fraught
mama.
situation.
Come to mama.
Look, I know he's my brother.
Come
I know
to
I should
mama.
try to like him, but there's something about him I just
Come on, Syl.
don't trust.
I know what you mean.
Sylvia. Come
It's
here,
awfully
baby.
hard to get close to Bree. I, for one, would like to know why.
You think he has an agenda?
Oh, there she goes.
We all have agendas, Andrew.
She's gone.
Mine is to protect your mother.